You call this a room with a view? It's ridiculous. There's all these buildings and stuff outside. And also, I wanted a bit of air conditioning. Will you get me another drink of water? It's too hot. Ridiculous, carry on. Oh, my phone's ringing. Oh, hello?
Hi, Blah. How are you? Where are you?
Oh, you know, I had to just take a couple of days off. I'm really not well at all.
Oh, okay. Look, I just need your help with something small.
Yeah, oh, right, okay. So where are you? What are you doing?
I'm in Connemara, right? And there's this amazing guy. I just don't have a word of Irish.
Wait to Gaeilge, you dull jock. Tattoo on a wahoo.
Oh, like he's talking way to me, like, and I really like him. I just don't know what to say to him.
This is a good line. It works for me all the time. Tá bulla. Ag tocht
Egg chocked.
Yeah. Well, actually, you could say tá bulla fásach ag tocht
What does that mean, though?
Just means, you know, I just think that you're really handsome.
Okay, that's perfect. Blah, you're an absolute ledge. Thank you so much, and I hope you feel better soon, babe.
Oh, no trouble at all. No, you're fine. Good luck with it, okay? Okay, bye. Thanks. Are you serious? That's disgusting. Go get me some orange juice or something. Oh.
Okay. Tá bulla fásach ag chocht